Hey, we're at Equip Expo 2023, checking out the cool gear here at the Ryobi booth, and I've got Steve here. Steve, the snow blowing is a big thing for me in Minnesota, and
great.
it's coming up here.
It's coming.
This was one of my recent purchases, and I absolutely love it. We can move a lot of snow. For the folks who haven't had a chance to check this out, let's walk through and talk about. You've got two different machines in that 40-volt line. Let's talk about them.
Absolutely, and it doesn't end with just these two. What you see here today is just the two-stage options. We also have two single-stage options as well, 18-inch and 21-inch. But we're talking about the two-stage today, and when you talk about power, this is power beyond belief. I mean, it's unbelievable how much power this system has. It is amazing how far it can throw snow. It is amazing how much snow it can take and digest, and it just gets the job done very easily and quickly. You don't have to worry about pulling that cord to get started with the job. So the power of these snowblowers is unbelievable. We have a new option coming out this winter. This is brand new, 22-inch design at an unbelievable price point of $12.99 at Home Depot. You'll start seeing this come out right now.
So what are these using for a power plant? They're using a 40-volt, but how many batteries are they utilizing?
They're running off 40-volt battery system, depending on the configuration, 2 to 4 batteries. Okay. This one will be sold with 2 at $12.99. We're over here running 4 different batteries here to give you the power and the runtime you need to replace that gas unit that was inconvenient to use too.
So let's come on over here. Let's check out the controls, because there's a lot of functionality back here that can make it so that when I'm getting to the end of the driveway, I can get through and grind through.
100%, 100%. So we have variable speed on the auger, depending on what you're going through and how much runtime you want to use. We have variable speed on the drive that allows you to change how fast you're moving, depending again on how much you're going through. We have heated grips in the handle that allow you to keep your hands warm while you're moving through the snow. And then of course we have a fuel gauge on either side that tells you exactly how much runtime you have left, so you can know how much battery you have left to get the job done. And then you can just very easily change your shoot direction here and the shoot angle to get the job done again, with all the power and all the runtime you need to replace that gas unit that you have today.
Heavy, wet snow. I took that drive down and had the augers up and everything, and it just ground through 16, 18 inches of just incredible slop without a problem.
The power of this is unbelievable.
That's for sure.
You have to see it to believe it. Trust me, this can do any job it can tackle, anything.
Yeah, it can. It definitely can. If people want to find out more information, where can they go check these out?
RyobiTools.com, or you can always find our products at Home Depot.
We'll put those links in the description below. We are at Equip Expo 2023.